Code RED stands for fire drill. Fire and associated dangers of smoke, structural damage, or toxic releases can pose serious injury and/or death to students, employees, visitors, and emergency response personnel. All instances of unintentional, non-controlled burn fires will be reported to campus security immediately, whether the local fire department response is required or not. All department heads, directors, and vice presidents will ensure that their faculty and staff are aware of the location of the fire extinguishers and first alarm pull boxes in their work areas. All employees should be made aware of emergency evacuation routes for their work area and the location of fire exit windows. Evacuation schematics are located in all labs and classrooms. Do not use elevators in the event of a fire. In the event of a fire, if an emergency exists, activate the building alarm and contact campus security immediately. If a minor fire appears controllable, immediately contact or direct someone in the area to contact campus security. Then promptly direct the charge of the fire extinguisher toward the base of the flame. Use the pass method to extinguish controllable fires. Pull the safety pin from the handle, aim nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the trigger handle, and sweep from side to side. If a large fire appears uncontrollable, immediately activate the building alarm and contact or direct someone to call 9, then 911, and contact campus security. Close all doors while exiting the building to reduce oxygen and slow the spread of the fire. Do not lock the doors. Assist with the evacuation, especially those with disabilities. Smoke is the greatest danger in a fire, so be prepared to stay near the floor where the air will be less toxic. Once outside, move crowds to a clear zone at least 500 feet away from the affected building and direct people away from fire hydrants, roadways, and sidewalks immediately adjacent to the building. Watch windows and doorways for persons that may be trapped inside and ask bystanders to assist. Once a successful evacuation has been accomplished, do not re-enter the building. Do not attempt to rescue. Notify campus security or the fire department. After the evacuation, report to your designated campus assembly point. Stay there until an accurate count can be conducted. The senior staff member in the affected area will take attendance and assist in the accounting of all building occupants. If personnel becomes trapped, hang an article of clothing outside the window to signal your whereabouts. Alert emergency responders of your location by whistling, shouting, or using an object to beat on walls and floors in a rhythmic manner. Anyone trapped in a room should remain close to the floor to avoid smoke. If a telephone is available, call extension 9, then 911, and notify the operator of your location. Place materials in door cracks to minimize smoke and heat.
Attention! Attention! This building is now under a code red alert. There is a fire in the area of the sounding alarm. All occupants, please evacuate the building through the nearest exit and proceed to the designated building evacuation assembly site. Please remain at the assembly site until a code white situation all clear has been issued.
Close all doors while exiting the building to reduce oxygen and slow the spread of the fire. Do not lock the doors. After the evacuation, report to your designated campus assembly point. Stay there until an accurate count can be conducted.